Hello everyone! Welcome again! If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So, let's start! Today, we're going to show you how to change your phone number on your Amazon account. The first thing that we are going to do is to open the Amazon application. Make sure you're logged in into your account to proceed. Now that we are on the main menu, click on the three-line menu icon in the lower right corner. Next, you will have to tap on Account icon in the center of the screen. You will see a menu with several options. We need to select Login and Security. Now, they will display all the information about our account. So let's tap on Edit. Enter our new mobile number and click Continue. Amazon will tell us that they need to send us a text message to verify the number. Then you have to tap on OK and then enter the code. On the following screen, it will ask us to confirm the changes by entering our password. And you will be set. By following these steps, you should have successfully changed your phone number on Amazon account.